Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Create Combo. Now this comes with the gimbal along with a bunch of other accessories. So you got your protective cover, the DJI mic, as well as a windscreen, wide angle lens and battery extender as well. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So we have this pouch, and inside it's pretty much all the accessories. Let's try and unzip this with one hand. So first thing is we've got the camera. I'll put that to the side. We have, I think that's the extended battery. Got the mic. What else do we have? This is a corkscrew to put the tripod on. Here's the tripod itself. Got a fluffy mic thingy. You've also got this to attach to it, and we also have the protective case with the wide angle lens. Now I've also got a few more accessories with it. So we have 4 extra clips, well, lenses, I think, to make it a bit darker, and we've also got the magnetic link to the microphone, so you can put it on your clothes. Now let's unbox the gimbal first. Quite difficult doing it one-handed. So I've got a screen protector on it here. This is how it looks. It's nice and small, and to turn it on, all you need to do is switch the screen. You've probably seen quite a lot of videos of this, so I'll just turn it off and then show you the other accessories. Put that to the side. So this right here is the battery extender. We've got the tripod, which is quite nice. I'll show you how it looks once I put all that together. The mic, I don't think you can get this on its own right now, so as of now it only comes with the DJI Pocket 3, which is quite nice. And then this is basically the corkscrew extender you put onto the Pocket 3 to add the tripod, which I'll show you now. So I've added the tripod. It makes it much more easier to use. You can grab it by the bottom if you wanted to, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's quite a nifty gadget. I'm going to be taking this on holiday soon as well, so I'll show you a few examples of what the camera quality is like in the day and in the dark. But yeah, that's the DJI Pocket 3. Very handy. Stay tuned for more videos regarding the quality. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and press that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.